Number 9 is my favorite, a sweet treat hack. Those are popsicles in there. My kids call them pops. We love taking these with us. Now, you are on the beach and this is plastic, so don't let it get into the water because that could be bad. But if you have popsicles at home, pop them in one of these drink coolers and then put it in your large chest with ice. It'll keep cool, and then the kids can enjoy these when they're out on the beach. Like, my kids loved it. They were able to sit at the edge of the water with their popsicles, enjoy a really cool treat. And we usually do this about an hour before we get ready to go home, spacing it out just so they can enjoy, again, a sweet treat.